Welcome to Ahhhsome. If you're seeing this video, you're most likely a new member and are wondering, okay, how can I make my visit as easy and smooth and carefree as possible? So I wanted to show you what I keep in my Ahhhsome bag. So on the left side, I keep a water bottle. We have a water bottle filling station in the front and the back of our Utah one, in the front here in the locker room of our Ammon location. So I always keep a water bottle that I can just refill. Then on the other side, I have very simple, just a cup that I keep my cleaning towel in. When I get here, I I go to my first station and I go to the cleaning station closest to whatever therapy suite I'm going to be at. I squirt this towel down really, really good with the Ahhhsome cleaner that we have, and then I carry this with me through my visit. Then at the end of my visit, I actually just put it into the hamper with the socks, so that I can make sure and clean every piece of equipment that I am going to sit on. Next, I bring an Ahhhsome blanket. I tend to run cold, so I have two blankets actually, one to go under me and one to go over me, because if I'm doing any of the red light suites or those kinds of things, I want to have one under me, and then I like a little extra warmth and coziness, so I do have a second blanket in here. In this pocket, have my earphones. We don't want anybody talking on the phone here, preferably. But I do like to, I also have some hair things. I do like to listen to some meditations or a book or those kinds of things, because my mind runs at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Sometimes learning to relax is a learned behavior, and for me it really is. And so I need something to help occupy my mind. So I bring some earphones to plug my phone into, but I always make sure my phone is on mute. Very important. Another thing that I always have with me is my key fob, so that I can get in, and a flashlight. Some of the places here in Ahhhsome, we have really low light so that you can really, really relax, but that can make it a little hard to see the equipment and get it set up. So I do have a flashlight that I keep with my key fob. I have a book, just in case I have some extra time, right? Some extra time that I can sit and do some reading. I will sit and read a book. So that's the easy peasy parts of it. I put my shoes and socks, and I put all my jewelry in a locker if I don't leave it at home. I usually wear my watch, but I do take it off on anything like the blue belt or the massage chairs, but I do like to keep track of time so that I know where I'm at. So that is what is in my Ahhhsome bag. I hope that helps you pack your Ahhhsome bag, and we'll see you soon.